Hey, it's Design Guy here. Want to give your shapes extra depth? I'll show you how to add shadows in Canva. Click Create, select Custom Size, enter 300 by 300 pixels. Go to Elements and select the Shape tool. Choose any shape from the available designs here. Select this shape and enlarge it. Click Share, select Download, increase the size, then click Download again to save the shape. After downloading the shape, delete the old one and drag the new shape image into your design. Select the image, then choose the BG remover to add a white background. Click Edit, and the editing options will appear for further adjustments. Click Shadow to see all effects. Apply shadow, outline, or drop shadow to your shape. Adjust blur amount, and you can also apply a glow effect from this menu. Apply the curve, page lift, angle, backdrop, and choose from different shadow effects available. To add two shadow effects to a shape, duplicate the shadow layer. Select the shadow and press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to create a second shadow effect. Repeat as needed for multiple shadows. Apply a shadow effect by selecting Shadows, then choose Drop or Outline. Merge the two elements, designating one as the front and the other as the back. Let's merge the elements into our design completely. After merging, position them as needed. Now, set the effects, apply an outline, and add a backdrop shadow. Once the effects are applied, ungroup the elements again to continue editing. Select the glow shadow effect to add a glow. Adjust the size, blur, and color as needed. This demonstrates how to apply and customize a blur or glow effect. Resize the side effect, send it to the back, and ensure it's properly positioned before proceeding. Set the outline size to match the first element for a clear glow effect. Next, send the outline to the back by selecting Send to Path. Now, zoom in to better see the changes. Click Shadow Outline and change its color to distinguish between the two shadow effects on the element. This highlights both the outline and the glow effect applied to the element. Change the glow effect color to red. Next, change the shape's color to red. To do this, go to the Filter menu and select the color options. Apply the red color to both the glow and the shape element to match the effect. Select a shape, then choose a red color from the color options to change it in Canva. After adjusting the color, increase the size for better quality. Finally, save your design and click Download to save it to your device. Now you know how to add shadows to shapes in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.